a curl cream when I refresh, but I guess I'm feeling a little extra today. Well, we've done this much. Might as well break out the gel. Almost out. This is Schwarzkopf gel. I like it a lot, but I haven't seen it in the stores recently. When I run out, I hope I can find some more. I've got to add extra to the back here at the crown area because that is my frizziest spot. All done. Now we just need time to dry. It's a rainy day in the parent pickup line today. I don't know why I even bothered trying to refresh my hair today. I like to seal in moisture after it's dry. It just works best for me. So in the event I have to leave the house with wet hair, I have this little sample from Natty Naturals, this hair and body butter Bohemian collection. And it seems to be empty. I guess I used it all up. It must have been okay. Bohemian collection. Maybe I'll pick some more of that up. I do have some mango butter, a homemade, at home. When I get back, I'll just use that. But I'd like to show you what I look like before I'm dry, or even after I'm dry. This is my wet rat look. Do I look like a drowned rat? It looks like this even after I'm dry. It has to be fluffed up, sometimes with a diffuser. So I put in the butter, and mainly on the ends. That's where I focus. And then either I use my fingers or a diffuser. I better stop messing with it. I'm gonna jack it up. I don't know how this is gonna work on this humid, rainy day, but after it's dry, I'll give it a go and then I'll show you the end result. Okay, I'll figure.
I just stepped in a puddle of water.
It's raining. So I didn't want to break into my hair growth kit until the hair growth challenge started, but I just cannot help myself. So I'm going to use this argan oil. I want to see how this works in sealing my hair. It has a nice consistency. It's pretty thick. Well, let's go see how it works. Well, I found some better lighting, so hopefully you can see the finished results a little bit better. I just started using this Suave Naturals line, and for a store-bought brand, it is working pretty well. Mind you, I haven't read the ingredients list, so beware if you care about that kind of thing. So, like me if you like me, and hit that subscribe button so we can't miss each other. Until next time.